Good morning, class 8th. We were reading chapter 5, combustion and flame. So, we have seen in this chapter about the combustion, conditions necessary for combustion, in which we have seen combustible and non-combustible substances. Activity 5.1, presence of supporter of combustion. Activity 5.2, activity 5.3, ignition or kindling temperature. Activity 5.4. Now, okay, some part was left. A substance. Students, I am going to read the chapter. So, open page number 69 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. A substance cannot catch fire if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature, even if it is kept in a jar of pure oxygen. Okay. So, as I told you in yesterday's class that a substance cannot catch fire if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Now, second paragraph, in activity 5.1, you have observed that not all substances are combustible, but substances like petrol, LPG, alcohol, etc. catch fire easily. This is because their ignition temperature is low. Such substances are called inflammable substances. Okay, so we have seen in this paragraph that in activity 5.1 you noticed that not all substances are flammable. There are also some substances whose ignition temperature is very low, so that they catch fire very quickly, like petrol, LPG, alcohol, etc. Such substances are called inflammable substances. Now, types of combustion. Here you can see in green box history of matchstick. So you can read this history to increase your general knowledge. Now see types of combustion. There are three types of combustion. First, rapid combustion. Rapid means fast or quick. When a burning matchstick or a gas lighter is brought near a gas stove and its knob is turned on, the gas immediately starts burning, which with the evolution of heat and light. If a combustion, okay, of heat and light. So students, here you have to underline some words. Rapid means quickly or fast, and knob means button. Okay, immediately means quickly. So we have seen in rapid combustion that you must have seen whenever you bring a matchstick or a gas lighter near to the gas stove and turn on the gas stove, then the gas coming out of the gas stove catches fire very quickly and it starts burning with blue flame. So you can read the definition of rapid combustion. If a combustion reaction takes place at a high speed and a huge amount of heat, huge means excess in a large amount, heat and light are produced during the reaction, it is known as rapid combustion. Now second, spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous means natural. Underline this word. When a substance suddenly bursts into flame without any external heating or any apparent cause, it is called spontaneous combustion. Okay. Here you have to underline burst means breakout. So this is your definition, and now we are going to read about example. For example, coal dust result into many disastrous fire in coal mines. Underline this word. Disasters. Disasters means causing great damage. It is harmful and it can cause great damage. Now, what do you mean by coal dust? Underline this word, these words. Coal dust is a fine powdered form of coal which is created by the crushing or grinding of coal. So, coal dust, definition of coal dust is important. Now, forest fires are also spontaneous and are caused due to the sun's heat or sometimes due to lightning. Do you know about the lightning? Lightning means natural electrical discharge. Okay, underline this word. While phosphorus also burns in air spontaneously as its ignition temperature is only 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in spontaneous combustion we have seen first definition, and after it we are going to understand about the example. So there are 3 examples. First is about coal dust, that coal dust results into many dangerous fires or harmful fires in coal mines. Now next, about forest. Sometimes a fire in the forest happens automatically due to the strong heat of the sun or because of the lightning. And now about phosphorus. We have read earlier that white phosphorus burns in air automatically because its ignition temperature is very low, just 35 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to turn the page. Explosion means blast. You must have seen fireworks on different occasions. Why is there? The production of heat, light and sound along with the evolution of gas. When crackers are ignited, a sudden reaction takes place between the chemicals present in them. Okay. So we have seen in the example of explosion that you must have seen when we burn firecrackers, a strong heat rises from the firecrackers. They burn with light and a high sound is emitted from firecrackers. This is because the flammable chemical filled inside the crackers is the region of great sound, light and heat of burning firecrackers. Okay. Now answer orally. So you can read these questions and you can give answers of these questions orally. So that's all, students. In the next class we will see about flame. Thank you, class.